Good morning everyone. For today we're going to make a very simple white hot chocolate at home. We just need 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 bar of white chocolate. You can cut it into small pieces so that it easily melts, or just simply put it together with your milk. Add 1 pinch of salt, and once it all combined, warm it up into a low-medium heat, and then stir it occasionally until our white chocolate is completely melted. You have to watch that it won't boil. Just keep stirring it. Now our white chocolate is already melted, so at this point we can serve it and enjoy. And here is our white chocolate. It smells really good. Now we can put some marshmallow on top, or whipped cream and some chocolate. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Enjoy.